You can change your relationship with imposter syndrome just by the way that you look at what imposter syndrome is and what it does. So think of it like this. Instead of saying all those things we mentioned just before, it's holding me back, I'm not good enough, I'm not sure if I'm good enough. Instead of saying stuff like that, say that this imposter syndrome is here for my benefit. Okay. You don't want to avoid imposter syndrome. You don't want to stay away from imposter syndrome. What you truly want to do is embrace it and take the good out of it. Because imposter syndrome is, in a way, just telling you to hone in on your craft. In a way, imposter syndrome is telling you to go all in on this, to focus, to continue to learn, and to continue to grow. Because you're going to get in front of stages. You're going to get on other people's podcasts. You're going to be behind your own microphone. You're going to be writing your own book. You're going to be starting your own business. And you can either let the imposter syndrome tell you you're bad, you should stop because you don't know everything, or you can let your imposter syndrome tell you that you can still hone in on your craft. You can still learn more about that subject. You can still master it. You can continue to grow every day. And that's what I want you to be thinking of. Since Adam Adams goes through imposter syndrome just about every time I push the record button, I know that I'm not alone. I want you to be thinking, how can this imposter syndrome help me be better at my business, at my podcast, at my book?